Yeah. So, cookout season is upon us, and that means lots of deliciousness. Oh, can't wait. So, now I came up with this recipe as an alternative to your typical potato salad. So I'm gonna show you my recipe for butternut squash salad. Welcome to my kitchen. Now, though this may not be like a super healthier alternative, like it's for those who kind of just want to escape the potato completely, or you just want something different. Okay? All right, so that being said, let's get into it. All right, first what we want to do is we want to peel and de-seed 2 butternut squash. And now we're going to cut these into medium-sized cubes. All right, and now we're gonna place these in a bowl, or you can place these on a greased baking sheet. All right, and so we're gonna add enough oil to be able to coat everything. Now we're going to season these. So we're gonna start with a tablespoon of brown sugar. Now this is optional, but it pairs really well with the rest of the spices, so that's why I add it. But again, it's optional, you don't have to add it. And so to this, we're gonna also add 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of dried thyme, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and of course, salt and pepper. And we're gonna give this a really good mix. Now, these spices will give the squash kind of smoky flavors, which will pair very well with smoked or barbecued meats. All right, now we're gonna spread the squash on a baking sheet in an even layer. Perfect. Now these we're gonna roast at 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Now, while those are roasting, we'll get the rest of our ingredients prepped. So I have a half of a red onion that I just wanna get a small dice. And then I also have 4 stalks of celery to dice, but first I'm gonna use a peeler to remove the fibrous outer layer. And then I'm gonna slice these in half. And then dice. And then we're just gonna set these aside, and we're also gonna chop up 1 tablespoon of flat leaf parsley. Place all these things in a bowl, and then we're gonna set this aside for the squash. Now for the squash, you just wanna check for the tenderness by inserting a fork. And then, once it's perfect, we're gonna allow these to cool. And once it's cooled completely, then we're just going to add this to our bowl. And then to this, we'll add a half a cup of mayo, and also a half a cup of plain Greek yogurt. And then to this, we're gonna add a teaspoon of dried thyme, and then we're gonna salt and pepper this to taste. Now we give it a really good mix. Now, if you want, you can change up the ratio to your taste. So if you want to use more mayo, less yogurt, or less mayo, more yogurt, all yogurt, whatever you like, do your thing. All right, and then you're gonna taste and adjust this to how you like, but basically, you're done. We're gonna plate this up and enjoy this deliciousness on a plate. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more. And comment below what your thoughts on this butternut squash salad are, and if you think it's a good alternative to potato salad. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.